This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Okay, I think today should be a good day. Seriously? Okay, mic on. At least I'm not mute. Cam on. I thought I was all set to go. Trader Platform X on Bulenox, all ready to go. Oof, day 13 of the shutdown. Doesn't look like they're going to be opening up anytime soon. Good morning, Bama. I could be wrong, but then again, I could be right. Let's set all my friggin' levels. It's so annoying. Hey, Alt R, come on, Alt R. Well, there we go. Got to figure out a quick way to do it. Okay, so look how interesting this is. I love it. VWAP on the 5-minute chart is at 7:20, 7:30, and VWAP on the 1-minute chart is at 6:20. Lord, that's such a crock of shit. And they're both anchored VWAPs. Go figure. I don't even see how that's possible. Anyways, take the VWAP off the 5-minute. I don't need it anymore then, obviously. I'll move in the levels. Take a look at the charts. Just quickly. Shut it down. Shut it down forever. Well, we're trading quite a bit lower. 905, I'm showing the previous day's close. We're at 621, 623, whatever. It's almost 300 points, so I don't think traders are going to be looking for a gap fill. I mean, volatility is higher. Volume's amazing, 800,000 contracts. Just to let you guys know, when I was checking volume at this time, what is it, 9:18? Let's say during the quiet periods, I would say the volume was 250,000, so we're 3x relative volume. Previous day's low, 482, so that's about 140 points away. We're not an inside day today. Was yesterday an inside day? Yeah, yesterday was an inside day. We broke it. We broke it to the upside on the daily chart. What are you guys looking at? You guys are looking at the 4 charts, eh? We broke it to the upside. Hide marks on bars. In the evening session, actually, I think that's when it was. Yeah, it was in the evening, the Asian session. Took out the high today. Took out yesterday's high, in case you aren't following me here. And then just traded lower from there. We have rebounded somewhat. Looks like we traded as low as 24,500, close to the low. Previous day's low, 480. But what is this? That's a half-an-hour chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the last 2.5 hours, we're up 130 from those lows. So, where it stands right now, we're opening lower by 900, 300, 270 points. Okay. Let's take a look at, let's make the 5-minute charts have the same time frame. Everything kind of looks the same, right? MNQ, MES, those are the two charts, the 5-minute charts. I don't see really any divergence. Nobody is relatively stronger or weaker. I was talking about on the 4-hour chart. Let me put that up. Scenes, I need sources. The 4-hour chart. Yeah, I was talking about a push up to that trend line and then heading lower. I was saying that's one of my strongest trades that I don't find very often. I have that trade actually up on my wall right over there to always be wary of it, but we didn't get it up. We didn't touch the trend line. I did want it to touch the trend line, but you know what? If I was maybe some more forward thinking, I could have looked at this level over here, which matched that level, and put up a horizontal line. I guess I could have seen it. That white line over there, make it a solid line. Yeah, you know, it was resistance over here, support over there, and then we touched it. I could have made an argument for that, but it's not really a playbook trade of mine, so it would have been hard for me to justify that. Let's do a deal me in, see what my day's going to be like. What my day's going to be like. This is my... fuck off, I spelled it wrong. Okay, ready, we're starting off wrong. Deal me in, my fortune teller. How's my day going to go? 51, I have a... there we go. I had a 50% chance, and I did good. Let me set up my charts. Boy, I'm missing all the MYM trades. There's so many good ones. I need to find a place to put up that chart somewhere from Apex and in Ninja Trader. Okay, so what do I gotta get? I gotta get you opened. Seven more minutes. No time, no need to panic. So let me see if I can get a handle on a bias, even though I don't trade a bias, but still. Ding. Still, I want to see what we're kind of doing. Okay, well, that move up from 24,560-ish, I guess. Is that what the level is? Ah, shit, I had to bring up something upstairs. Yeah. No, there isn't. Huh? No, it is 24,500. Okay, anyways, that push got us up over the band, so we do have the potential for a little bit of a bullish move on the open. Everything I'm looking at is kind of saying short term. Go long. It's rigged. Well, you lost. Omnius got 11. Dealer draws 53. That's not so bad. Rigged. I don't know. I won. I'm happy. So yeah, I'll be... Oof, I even have an entry right here. I'm not going to take it. I'm not taking any more entries ever again before 928. I've learned my lesson because we have the... what do they call it? Not the initial balance. The opening market on opening imbalance, or whatever it is. Why would I forget that word? Anyways, whatever it is, it's the opening balance, opening imbalance, probably opening imbalance. I let you know where the orders are stacked for the market on order, market on open. And often that gives the market a bit of a jolt. We'll watch it. That's in 2 minutes. I don't want to be on the wrong side of that. Let's get out of the 4-hour chart, put up the 4 charts. Okay, I think I'm kind of ready to go. Even though the intermediate long-term trend is up. Actually, I just want to show you guys one thing. Let me go back to the 4-hour chart. I have time. Let me change the symbol. Have you guys seen what gold did? Has anybody noticed? I saw it yesterday. Take a look at how gold came down. And I'm on the 4-hour and rocketed up almost all the way up to 4,200. That's on the 4-hour chart. And if I put up NQ, I'm kind of thinking we're going to do the same thing. I'm kind of thinking that this potentially was a way to take out all the week longs and take their inventory before we go higher. So even though we broke the trend line, I'm still thinking long term, especially if you look at the daily, the trend is higher. I mean, we didn't even break the 50-period moving average. Sorry, hold on, let me just clear my throat. $9.28. Yeah, we didn't even break below the 50-period moving average on the daily. So long term, we're up. Intermediate term, we're trading lower, obviously. Short to intermediate term on the 5-minute, we're trading lower, but on the 1-minute right now, for short-term trades, we're kind of trading sideways to higher. I guess depends on how far back I put the chart. So let's get ready to rumble. Gonna start off, I think, in Top Step because that's the most reliable. I'm starting off, good morning, Skeletor. It's rigged. Good morning, Skeletor. I'm starting off up 144 in Apex. That's from last night. That's all I did, really. No, I think I did a little bit of, do I have time? Shit. Accounts. I think I did a little bit in here. Yeah, I'm up $20 from last night also. So $80 on $20 on 4 accounts, so $80. So $80 plus one. Oh wait, I'm gonna get an entry maybe. Yep, got a long. Okay, went long 15 seconds before the market opened. Nice. I am long at 640. Markets are opened. Do not go against me. Where's the close button? Close position. No, I have to get out of that one. Ah, you bugger. Bugger. Okay, so the bias kind of shifted on the really ultra short term, which is what I trade. Switch to short. Let's open up the 1 minute chart. We got pretty decent volatility. The ATI, the true range there, whatever, is at 5. I got a short trade. Oh, you're going to take me out, eh? Taking a chance. I'm holding it a little bit longer. Ooh, paid off for me. Okay, got out. Oh shit, I have no short trade. I should have just hung on. Oh, wait. Holy shit. Okay, I see what's happening here. My charts are not matching price. That's not a good thing. And what do I mean by that? I'm entering in limit orders and it's not where price is. That's funny. I never really seen that happen before in Top Step. Okay, 2 minute opening range. Probably going to take it out and close to the downside, but I'm not going to get in early. I've learned my lesson getting in early. We talked about that yesterday. I tracked a crazy amount of trades on a spreadsheet with getting in early, and all it did was cost me money. Most of the time, like 90% of the time, if I get in early, what I mean by that, getting in early, like I'm stalking along, but the market is falling. Remember, I need a retrace and then a continuation or a pullback and a continuation. So as the retrace of the pullback is happening, I'm saying, okay, we're going to reverse from here and I'm going to get in early. And then it continues and I sit through pain. Then I find out that, oh shit, if I wouldn't have gotten in early, number one, I wouldn't have sat through any pain. And two, I look at the price that the actual entry was, and it didn't save me any money. So what was the point? And now that I think about it, also what it did was it prevented me from holding the trade properly because I became scared. I didn't trust the trade anymore. Because I had to sit through pain. And then a good trade, which actually made money, I didn't get to take part in because I was scared of the trade because I had to sit through a loss. So, yeah, no, getting in early is no good. And on the other hand, getting in early as you're approaching your setup and you're like 1 or 2 points away, then you get in. Coming down to the 560 area. That's also been a disaster. Trying to save 1 or 2 points, and how many times I'm wrong, it ends up costing me like 10 points. So that's an inverted 5-to-1 proposition. You have to be right 90% of the time just for almost have any benefit off that. So yeah, no more getting in early. Let's see if we can push down another 7 points from here. 63, get down to 56. 62. 62, 61, 63. I think we should go into the 50s. 57. Oof, that was so fast. Okay. I bought off the bid. I got filled at my 57 or something. Now we're much lower. Should have counted to 10. Omnius, you didn't remind me, count to 10. Okay, let's take a break. That's quite a few trades taken off Top Step X. Top Step X is up $100. Did some decent scalping. Let's see if I'll do a 2-lot in Bulenox. Let's try a small trade here. You move over a little bit. Join the bid. Okay, let's go. Join the bid because that was more than one bar. I'm copy trading to a different, no, not a different group of 4 accounts. The same group as last night. Well, let me see. Let me just confirm. Accounts, I was at 20. Oh, no, it's a different group now. Okay. So that group is up 53 on that trade. And we'll wait for the next count to 11. Yeah, maybe that's even better. Shit, I think I gave up like... You know, we really have to run that experiment, even if it's for a 1 lot or something, because I gave, you know how many points I gave up if I would have waited just 11 more seconds? Okay, you got the 5-minute charts here. I'm going to open them up a little bit more. 3 o'clock there, so they match. NQ swept this low. And looks like we're getting close to sweeping this low. ES is showing a little bit more strength than NQ. So NQ is relatively weaker. I consider ES the dog and NQ the tail. Not sure why, but I do. So is NQ's weakness going to pull down ES, or is ES's strength, once we change directions, going to give a boost to NQ? But right now we're selling. Let me put up the 4-hour chart here. We do have a level right over here at 24,450, sort of. Like I said, you know, levels, they're not... So I'm going to be careful with the shorts because there is potential for a bounce over here. Let me get up my 30-minute chart. Yeah, that's previous day's low right there. New flip trade. Pick direction, take trade, count, and then exit. It's previous day's low we're pretty much at right now, at least according to Ninja Trader. Also, so maybe I take my hand off the mouse. I don't know. We'll see. You know what? I'll take a 1 lot if I can get a... let's put on the 1-minute chart. VWAP's around 720. Is it matching the 1-minute chart? Yeah, it's close enough. We also just took out something that I follow, the 6 o'clock to 9:30, what I call the pre-market session. Pre-market session, the low was at 24,500. So we just swept that. Again, another reason for a bounce over here. And ATR is at 27. That's very high. Remember, volume, 900,000. That's like 3x. So we're 3x on volatility and 3x on relative volume also. So a good day to take advantage of some moves. Moving back up into the pre-market range. That was a beautiful short trade. I would have liked that one. Sorry, missed it. I'm tempted to take a short at the 24,500, but that would be really stupid. And Omnius, I would tell Omnius if he was here to play the donkey if I did, and thank God I didn't. See, pretty good. I'm learning impulse control much better already. I like it. I like it. I like it. You got the 4 charts? No, you have the 1 minute chart. So it really looks like Nasdaq swept this low over here in the 5 minute on the left side. Not it really looks like it. We did sweep the low. What I mean is it doesn't look like we swept the low over here. Let me just put up a line and check. I don't want to check the data box. I mean, so close. We touched it, but we didn't sweep it. Nasdaq still relatively weaker right now. Is it going to continue to push lower? The 4-hour chart, still very interesting. We still have that support right there. We got so many things at this level, eh? We have previous day's low, pre-market low. We have the support from the 24th of October approximately. That's a solid support area. I have to find out how to fix my NT8 later, my Ninja Trader 8 later. I have to break it to fix it. I don't know what to think. I don't know if I should take a trade off this level here. There we go. We're touching it. Just as we're touching it, ES. ES is breaking. It's 7 o'clock low, so I'm almost thinking a counter trend trade here. There's got to be some buying pressure. Somebody talked me out of it. I was looking up some ideas. Yeah. About Ninja Trader? Hey, it's true. PA, done for the day. Now to evals. Way to go. Let me go to live chat. And live chat over here also. Well, we are breaking lower, eh? So it looks like the first test at 475, we rebounded, but and ES also. Take a look at ES, bottom left. Oh, it's true. I didn't go over what the news is today. There's not much, guys. Just quickly, it's just speakers. 12:20 is the big one on Tuesday here. Fed Chair Powell at 12:20. So keep that in mind. ES now breaking nicely lower, eh? Now it kind of looks like it caught up to NQ. They look the same now. What do I do? What do I do? Good job, Skeletor. Come on, I had 11. Call in the bin. $10 is good for a one lot. No, I'm a weekend. No, don't give me a 2. Okay, I think that kind of worked out. I don't really know. But it does look like a good bounce area over here. Again, mostly basing it off the line, great trading, Skeletor. How come no one tells me great trading? Yeah, talking about this support line, a bounce off this support line. Wow, take a look at the 1 minute. Right off that line. Great trading. Oops. Mike. 400 volume. Let me try a 400 volume trade if I have time. Bit of a delay. I don't like that. It looks like it wants to go higher, but it also looks like it wants to go lower, but it looks like it wants to go higher. Oh, you mother of God. Ooh, went to 90 to 8. That was like a 10-point insta move. I gotta be careful. And we are still lower, on the bias is to the downside. Gotta watch for that. Okay. Wait for setups, wait for setups. We're going to assume we're bouncing here. I think we swept those 7 o'clock or whatever time that is lows. Yeah, about 7 o'clock. Same thing. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah, I can get in over here. Trading off the 400 volume chart. One, two. We got a 2-bar reversal. Oh, that was a little deeper than I thought it would go. Okay, well, we'll just watch for a maybe take a breather and see which way the wind is blowing. I got a trade at 93. Are we going to go up to 500? 95. I'll put in my sell limit at 500. I hope we get up there. It is a 73% probability. Oh, so close. Even closer. Mother of God. I was at 500.25, I think. I'm taking it. Got too close there. Even if it goes. Oh, good job. Oh, wait, I can get back in again. What's the exit on this one? Okay, are we rotating lower? A little bit of a bounce here in the last 5 minutes. 943 to 949. How many points was that? 30. Wow, that was almost 90 points. Anyways, be careful, guys. Markets are moving fast. I just took a short. Three lot. I'm short at 76 off the 400 volume. Ooh, I might have to get out. Yeah, I have to get out. Okay, that cost me. They can't all be winners. I'm not going to be 100% accurate all the time, or 90% accurate, or whatever it is. Where are we on the ATR? 25, about 28. 1, 2. Let's hold this for a little bit. Hopefully I get a decent move. I'm long again at 06 based on the 400 volume chart, but it is stalling out. I would have expected it to go already by now. I'm going to lighten up. Only hold a 2 lot. Make sure if we get a bullish candle, I'll add back again. There we go. Come on, get some momentum here. Get some bullish momentum. You're looking like you want to do it. There we go. I got 80 bucks. And I got 60 bucks on my final piece. Very good. Very good. Very good. I do have one losing account today. 394 on Apex, but I have 447 in the other one and plus 144. Just got another long. I'm long again at 33, believe it or not. Let's see what we do. Come on, push, 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 push. Yesterday we got a couple of longs back to back, 33, 38, 40. I'll take a piece. 43, that's 10 points. I'm gone. I'm going to switch accounts. That's good. That's almost 500 bucks in one account. I'll take a break. And I have no idea how I'm doing in my Bulenox accounts. I forgot. Oh, 60. Okay, all green. You know what? It's too bad they don't color code. There's my accounts for now. They should color code it. They should make it green and red. It's hard to see when it's all white like that. Gotta let them know. Well, excuse me. Missed the trade, a long trade at 50. Got in a little bit. Wait, now how can it be 50? Oh, sorry, 540. I read it wrong. I thought I was reading 450, but it was 540. I took a long here at 44, 4 points. 44. There we go, 58. Small little win. I just keep swinging the bat when they give you entries. Hey, I gotta say, Omnius, thanks for the 400 volume hike in SE. Gives tons of signals, and they're pretty solid, especially when you use it with a filter. Get a lot of entries, tight stops. Another 400 volume long over here. I'm long at 66. Come on, push. Ooh, now I gotta stop out. Okay, on that one I stopped out. Thanks, Omnius. Where are we? I gotta look at where we are. Okay, I'm gonna take stock of where we are. Later, show me the 400. Yeah, I will. I can't put it up now because unfortunately Platform X doesn't allow me, but I'm having a great time with it. Gives me these cool little quick signals with this kind of volatility. I'm guessing it would probably even work better in lower volatility. But yeah, I'm getting tons of signals and they're great for scalps. That's all these past few days that I said I'm like 90% accurate. I'm kind of doing it off the 400 volume hike in SG. And of course with my, with the Renko there that you see on my, oh, you don't see it right now. With the Renko on the bottom right. I'm not doing the band bounce anymore on the 2010 Ninja because I don't have a chart for that. I got to set up my screen on my laptop a little bit better. I want my setup that I had with Ninja Trader that you guys were so used to for forever. I want that setup back on my at least on my laptop because that's where I got my feel for the markets. You know, I understood how to read them and going to get along here on the 400 volumes soon, but I'm not going to take it because I think this decline can continue. My paper trade is losing. We didn't get the long trigger anyways, and that's it. You're not going to get a long triggering. What are we looking at? 10 o'clock. The 10 o'clock alarm. Well, all I can say is it's a good thing I don't trade with MFFU because I don't think any of my trades are over 15 seconds lately. Trading on the phone sucks. Yeah, it does. I don't know how Woodchip did it for forever. Seriously. He used to tell me he trades on the phone. I think a lot of people trade on the phone. I don't know how they do it. It's like, for me, that's like trading on a postage stamp. Shit, I need 4 monitors. Forget a phone. What to do, what to do, what to do, what to do. I'm a little perturbed that I have one account down. It's bothering me. It's interfering in my ability to think. My mind is focusing on it. Shit, a little late on the long entry. We just got wicked. Let's push up to 76. We're at 67 now. 76 looks doable. Let me put in my sell limit just in case it flies there and flies back down. And I have my finger on the close button just in case we trade lower. Like if we break 60, I'm long at 64. So believe it or not, in this volatility, I'm trying really only to risk 4 points. That was up a little bit. Come on, push, push. 77 is my offer at. Push, push, push. I took it at 74. And there goes 77, 83. Let's count to 10. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I would have gotten about 8 points better if I would have counted. Good coffee. Oh, okay. So where are we now? We bounced. Coming up to this level over here. These, I don't even know if they're accurate, so I'm going to remove them. I should set them at night. I'm going to have to make that habit of setting the previous day's high and low and close on Project X. I got to make the habit of setting them on in the evening, so I know the next day that they're right. Okay, we stalled out 3 times. If you see the Renko chart, we stalled out 3 times at this level right over here. What is it? 85. Right there, you can see the 3 So I'm not going to take the next long trade over there. ES is looking a little bit stronger, just a little bit, just by a hair. Hasn't done anything significant, nothing that I would call a divergence between the two of them. The 4-hour, let's put it up again because I do find it really interesting. Look at the bounce off that line. Crazy, eh? Bouncing the wick. What that line is based on. The level right here. Wow, strong push on ES. And we broke that level there. Excellent. Okay. So now we wait for our next trade. And looks like I might get it off the 400 volume. Along, I'll let you know. 330, nope. Nope. Out of bars form quickly. 400, well, we're at 1.1 million. I'm going to enter here. This is an early entry. Let's see if it pays. Nice. Nice. Okay. See, an early entry in this case worked. It's too bad you guys can't see it. It's a fun little, oh shit, I just got a long over there at 05. 605. How can I not take it? We're targeting 12, 612. $610, targeting 612. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Well, I got out. If you saw it, went above it, flashed above it, didn't hold officially on the chart, but it did flash above it. I'm out. And I got like 3 points better, so that was about a 10-point trade. Oof. I got to figure out, you know what I really got to figure out? I'm going to take a break again. I got to figure out how to structure these trades so I can hold longer, so I can trade with a company that wants me to hold for more than 15 seconds. Increase the size of the, either go to a higher time frame, but then you're really not going to get a lot of trades. And I swear to God, trading off the 5-minute chart, I think you have to be a counter trend trader. I don't think you can be a trend trader. The only way you can be a trend trader is you watch for the break of the initial balance and you take a retest, or the 15-minute opening range and you take a retest, which I'm not even watching. I don't even have those up now because of my stupid setup. The 2-minute opening range break did really good. It also took profit last night. What company has this 15-second rule? MFFU. I don't know if there's others, but MFFU. And the problem, what I don't like is they don't define it well. You know, they say, well, you need to hold your trades. I don't know even what the wording is. I should check it. You have to hold your trades for more than 15 seconds. Okay, is there like a certain percentage that can't be under 15 seconds? Really? It's so difficult to define your rules properly. I'm probably going to be doing an interview with Earn to Trade. I'm going to ask them all these questions. I hope they don't hang. I don't have account. Sometimes my trade is less. Oh my, sometimes? That's cool. I think all my trades today were under 15 seconds. And I'm probably up to minimum 40 trades already. You guys don't see it because I'm trading on Top Step and Apex on my laptop computer. I'll show the results later. Oh, yeah, I was daydreaming there. My brain was taking a break from trading. I'm going to put up the 15-minute opening range also. Don't have it over here, opening range. I don't know why it's not part of the chart. Opening range, 930, 931, 945. Let's make it... Okay, so we broke the 15-minute opening range to the downside, but there was no potential for a retrace trade. because we just wicked it for like an insta-second. Missed the losing trade. Let's go back to the 400 volume. Okay, the 400 volume is showing a short bias now. That's ultra short term, just so that you know. I'm going to wait for it to switch back over to long instead of trying to scalp the ultra short term. You know what? Maybe it's ultra short term, because the ultra short term is long. Not really. The short term, for me, the short term is the 1 minute. The 1 minute is showing strength now. Trade at 98 and I'm in at 98. That sucks. Bad execution. Should have waited for a better price. You gonna stop me out? Or are you gonna go to 05? That's a nice target. The way it's bouncing back and forth, I don't have any indication. Kind of looks like I would have to, if I have to guess, that it's gonna stop me out. But you never know, it could just spurt right back up. Okay, I'm hungry. Be back in 10 minutes. Sounds good. I got out of that long trade. Didn't like it. Now it's going to go. It's going to go up to 05, 605. I think the 10-second rule would have saved me again. There you go. There's the 605 target. What can you do? Now we got again a level that we tapped into 3 times right here. Once, twice, 3 times. Do we break it? There we go. We broke it. Nice strength in the market. $26. I think I'm making one mistake. You know what the one mistake is? I'm not fighting for price enough. So I gotta slow it down and fight for price, because I should be doing a lot better than I'm doing. Okay, we got to trade at 26. Fight for price. Let's see if I can get in at 22 or better before it goes to target. 25 bid, 22. There we go. Let's see if you fill me. I clicked buy the bid, but it didn't work. Now I'm filled at 22 and a quarter. See, that's good. Now it's 11-point target. I like this. 11-point target. I'm going for 33. Sell limit. I'll put it in. Going for 33. And it's a 10-point stop. Come on, let's turn green there. Kind of hesitating a little bit longer than I wanted to. 33. 27, 30, 31. I'm taking it. I'm taking it. I'm out a little bit earlier. Let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, you know what? I can get back in. I can get back in at a better price. I like this price right here. Watching my stop. 26.22, the stop's at around 12. And stopped out. Oh well. Well, it was a good trade. I can't complain. Now you're going to go back up, really? You're a bugger. Real bugger. 26. $33. Can we get up to 40? What do we got on the volatility? We're still over 20, eh? ATR is at, looks like 21 points. You got the 4 charts there. So right now what I'm seeing is ES is taking these highs. Let me open it up a little bit. Nope, that's not how you open it up. There you go. ES is taking these highs right here. But NQ hasn't. Let me make it look the same. NQ hasn't. So NQ is a little bit weaker right now. Keep that in mind for me in case the bias shifts to short, because right now the bias is long. But if the bias shifts to short and NQ is relatively weaker, then hopefully I can take advantage of that. We got VWAP, looks like it's 666. Trusted by the heat, rising the compromise and let it flow through your veins. Draw me a Wow, strong push. Strong push. Likely trade into VWAP. And then reject lower. Go, push up into VWAP. There we go. Okay. Now that we're touching VWAP, it's so funny though. Look at the VWAP on. I'm trusting the VWAP on Ninja Trader, not the VWAP. I'm removing VWAP here on Project X. I guess that's it can't be a perfect platform, right? I don't know. That's some kind of fictional VWAP. Volume's 1.2 million already. Even though I set it to the open there at what if I go farther back? Let me just try that. We're at VWAP now, so let me remove this line. Yeah, we're near VWAP, or we're right on VWAP actually right now, so I'm not going to take any trades. So let me do an experiment. Let me go back like a bunch of days and anchor my VWAP from 5 days ago. That's 4. There's the 5th day. Let me take the anchored VWAP. Now let's go here and see if it's... No, if it's anchored all the way up there, it's not right. Nothing I can figure out what to do to get it working the way I want it to anyways, to match the VWAP. Nice push over VWAP to match the VWAP on Ninja Trader. $75. Ah, great. I have hanging orders now. Thankfully, they went away, because this is a very dangerous market to have hanging orders. Especially it's Apex. Apex has that 30% rule there about the drawdown. So the time that my order's hanging, I can go into drawdown and that's it. That's all that a 3-lot gave me, $50. Still not seeing the charts clearly the way I used to. Still feel a little bit in the dark. I need that chart up. I need that chart up. And I need that chart up. It's 3 more charts. Where am I going to put 3 charts? Duplicate in new window. Okay, there's one. Template. Save as. 1 minute chart. White. Well, we're moving stronger up again. I was seeing that yesterday. Again, it looks like they're faking out the buyers and trying to take their inventory. That's just what it seems like to me. Just trying to make them nervous. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Okay, so I got that chart up. What else? What other chart do I want? To the moon, yeah, that's what I'm thinking, Omnius. I'm really thinking that's what's being slowly played out with some scary tactics to shake people out. That's always what the market does try to do, eh? Shake out as many people as possible. Workspace. Save. Perfect. I'm going to take a quick break, guys. And I will be back in 2 minutes.
Tonight I'm here alone in this empty space, just the wooden floor and memories of grace, las luces bajas, no one else to see, just me. Bailo solo, 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 con el silencio. chairs against the wall. They watched us dance before. Now they're witnesses. So what I'm looking for, mi libertad in this quiet space, just me. Vuela solo, 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 aunque silencio orillado. Listen on, los hasta más side. Dalo soan con mi soledad, que en este salón torcido.
Empty bottles on empty tables, forgotten jackets, forgot fables. Los pies se mueven al compás del tiempo que no volverá, del tiempo que no volverá. The DJ booths are dark and still, but in my mind I feel the thrill like it is not just thinking low and everyone share the floor. Now I'm writing my own story, solo pero sin memoria of what they think I should be, just a rhythm inside of me. Las trompetas en mi mente suenan suave lentamente. This freedom that I found tonight makes everything feel so right.
Bailo solo con mi soledad, bailo solo en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más de recuerdos perdidos. La música regresa. La música se apaga. Tonight I'm here alone in this empty space. Just the wooden floor and memories of grace. Las luces bajas, no one else to see, just me. Bailo solo, 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 con el silencio a mi lado. Dancing along, 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 the silence by my side. Bailo solo con mi soledad en este salón vacío. Recuerdos perdidos. The chairs against the wall, they watched us dance before. Now they're witnesses. So what I'm looking for, mi libertad in this quiet space, just me. Vuela solo, 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 aunque silencio orillado. Listen on, los hasta más side. Dalo soan con mi soledad, que en este salón torcido.
Empty bottles on empty tables, forgotten jackets, forgot fables. Los pies se mueven al compás del tiempo que no volverá, del tiempo que no volverá. The DJ booth is dark and still, but in my mind I feel the thrill. Like it is not just a galore when everyone share the floor. Now I'm writing my own story, solo pero sin memoria of what they think I should be. Just a rhythm inside of me. Las trompetas en mi mente suenan suave lentamente. This freedom that I found tonight makes everything feel so right. Y vuelo en la fe, y vuelo sin miedo en la fe, sin miedo. Bailo solo con mi soledad, bailo solo en este salón vacío. Bailo solo, no necesito más de recuerdos perdidos. La música regresa.
That was longer than I intended. Traffic was terrible. Okay, what are we looking at? Last I left, we were showing strength in the markets. We got above VWAP on NQ. Broke above the 15-minute opening range. At 640, took out pre-market highs at 665. What chip? Good morning, what chip? Yeah, took out, broke above 15-minute opening range. We broke above the pre-market highs, broke above VWAP. And we look like, how are the accounts? Give me a sec. Look like we're trying to break out of the initial balance. How are the accounts? Well, I copy in groups of 3 on platform X, which is Bulenox. So these are all green. One group of, well, I copy 3. So it's groups of 4 really. So one group of 4 is 2078 because it's such a perfect trade copier. It's a trade result copier. And the other group of 4 is 6180. Nothing spectacular. Top step is up 100. And 4, 6, 5, 640. I got 2 red, 2 green in Apex. Good morning, Joker. One apex hit the PDLL of 394, more than I would have wanted. The other one is down 200, one is up 500, and one is up 144. Yeah, I'm good. I've conquered almost all of my problems. I'm really happy. I was talking about that yesterday. I said, well, now that I'm kind of trading on the other side of discipline and consistency, it's like I'm saying it's so hard, but it's so easy. You know, it's like I'm saying, why wasn't I doing this all the time? And yes, I still screw up, but it's like now when I screw up, I go, geez, you're a fucking idiot. Why would you even do that? I think the hardest thing I'm having is fighting for price, but right now the volatility is very, very, well, not very, very, but it's high. And it's making it very, very hard to get filled at my price with limit orders. I don't really have a lot of time. By the time I click to buy the bid, the trade is gone. And then what I end up doing is chasing a little bit. So I still got to work on that. But I am respecting my stops. I am really working hard at just waiting for setups. Shit. The Dow killed it today. Could have made so much money with the Dow. I got to get this chart up somewhere. Definitely got to get this chart up somewhere. Top chat, why does it keep changing? I already changed it to live chat. Okay, switch it back up to live chat again. What about you guys, Joker? Woodchip? How's trading been going? I asked Joker last night, and after I asked him, I said, you know what? I think the answer to that is all of us are always working on our game. That's pretty much the situation, I think, with everybody. You're always working on your game. Doesn't matter whether the results are green or red in the last week or something. We're still always working on our game. I'm doing good. Come on, Dow. Give a little bit of a spurt up. I got a small trade in the Dow. Now that I added the chart up, in the meantime, let me copy this, duplicate in the window. Okay, so do I have them all? I got that. Get rid of it. What about this chart? I want to duplicate this in new window. Duplicate in new window. Workspace. Save. Okay, looks good. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Well deserved winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Vamos, vamos. Sigue bailando. Bailando through the centuries, so making souls I can free. Bailando, bailando, dio. Ain't you ever take me home? Bailando, bailando, moving the space and time. Bailando, bailando contigo.
Okay, I think I got my layout. My new layout. Very good.
Let the music show the way.
I now get to see my complete picture. My blinders are taken off. Let's try a Dow trade here. Yeah, I'll keep it. We'll see where we go. Kind of trading a little sideways. Got a little chop here going for the last 2-3 minutes here on the 400 volume chart. There we go. That was nice on the Dow. Thank you very much for that little spurt. That was a nice $50. Oh, camera's not on. Sorry about that. Hello. Okay, so we're inside the London session. We're about mid-range. We're kind of between yesterday's high and low, also mid-range. And the charts currently on the short term have a bullish bias. NQ is still a little bit weaker, but it took out both. Took out both these levels over here, just like ES did. Looking, comparing on the 5-minute charts on the left side. ES still does look a little bit weaker. And we're trading back inside the initial balance, so we didn't get to we didn't hold the initial balance. Sorry, I didn't see that chat. Do I ever play the guitar behind me? I think I did once. What did we do? We did something similar. Omnius will play. He's the guitarist. I'm the singer. So now the question is, since we got back inside the initial balance, are they going to start selling it? Or are we just going to trade down to VWAP, which I don't have on my Project X? On my Project X charts, because they don't print them out well, unfortunately. But we're right here at VWAP again. VWAP is about at this level. It doesn't have to be exact. I mean, 670, I would say. Let's see if we get a bounce off this. We came up into the moving averages on the 5-minute chart on the left side. I don't know, do I want to take a little poke at a long? Yeah, Sparky. I took a 3-lot. I took a 3-lot. A VWAP trade. I'm assuming a VWAP bounce. I hope it's not a mistake. Like I said, every time I use VWAP to help me. Ah, there we go. Nice. Every time I use VWAP to help me make a decision. You want cookies? Every time I use VWAP to help me make a decision, or I make a decision with that. Not every time. Let's not say every time, but so often doesn't work out for me. In this case, it did. Got a little bit of a pop there. But you can see on the bottom right chart, my bias is, yeah, that was 1 me. I don't know. That might have been 2. Not sure. You heard it? That's funny. I think the best case scenario right now is just to let the markets, which I think are going to go higher, show strength on all charts. We're not far away from that, actually. We're just got to get up to 710. If we can get up to 710. Ah, look at that. I got everything back. I love it. Yeah, if we can get up to 710. That would be pretty good. No, we didn't go up, heading back down. Didn't get to 710. It's too bad. I would have liked the markets to show strength again. So we got VWAP again at 670. There we are at VWAP. Let's see what we do. Does kind of look like we're rolling over on the 5-minute charts, but on the 4-hour charts, it looks like we are setting in a low. Take a look at the 4-hour chart. Remember, we bounced off that level at at 24,400. So the 4-hour chart does look like we could be putting in a low and now going back higher. But I don't trade off the 4-hour chart, and I don't take 4-hour trades, so it's good to keep in mind, especially once everything turns bullish, which means both charts on the left right now can get over their bands, over their moving averages. We hold above VWAP. Nice bounce off VWAP again, eh?
Three, two, one.
I'm gonna wait. The best I can do. I got way too many conflicting signals right now. Dow's heading higher. Wow. Wow. Holy shit. Dow chart's been pretty damn impressive. Duplicate new tab. Data series.
Looking for traces of you. Mi corazón está inquieto, como si fuera tabú. Que no chimpate, I love like you, como tú, so the blue. Que mi chimpate, I love like you, como tú. El tiempo no cura what I'm feeling inside. Es corazón eternas when you're on my mind. No puedo dormir pensando en ti. Can't sleep, can't sleep.
Oh, I see what's happening. Okay, so are we heading higher? Did we get to 710? We did get to 710. Well, I was doing a couple of settings over there. Let's see if we can get a bit of a retrace. $12, $13, $17. Making a move up. You know what, on a day like this, it's probably really good to have cumulative delta up, I would think. I would think. 17, 10. I'm going to try and get in at 10 if I can.
First mistake was thinking you could handle this. Burning bridges, leaving ashes, that's my signature. Bad decisions make the best fucking memories. Push the limits, see you panic, watch me laugh at it. Every attack I still got the battle scars. Try to hold me down but couldn't last that far. Think you different, baby, please, I heard it all. Plenty try before they all went and took the fall. Moving reckless cause that's all I ever learned. Playing not just till the whole damn thing gets burned. That the fighter in my blood is who I am. Either roll with it or run fast as you can.
Anything I can catch here? 24, 17. Yeah, I can take that for a one lot. That's a 50% trade. Under 17. At 17 I got filled at 16, and we would be targeting, let's say, 31 on this. So I'm long at 16, targeting 31. 28. Yeah, I'll take it. I'll take it at 28. Did I do a sound check? I don't even remember. I mean, I'm guessing you guys hear me because you're replying, but very good. Only takes 1 second. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. 36 already, eh? Well, there's my confirmation that everything is bullish. Okay, we got a support area there at 671. Where do we have VWAP at 671? How is that not a surprise, eh? Now, we have to figure out how to get in without taking too much risk. I guess we wait, right? There's no other choice. We gotta wait for a setup. We gotta wait for a good price. I got us bumping into the close, eh? Oh no, that's on the Dow. Do I have those levels? Yes, I do. They're up there. I should put them on the 1 minute chart also. Previous day's close, I have it 24,905, so we're quite a ways away. But the Dow is bumping up into the previous day's close right now, which is interesting. Okay, I have them. Yeah, it is up there. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. It's not on my chart because it's so far away, but I do have them up there. Good morning, David. 11:06.
aquí en mi esquina, haciendo tiempo mover. ¿Quién baila conmigo?
52, 56. If we get up to 66 bid and the 66 bid holds. Going the wrong way right now. But if that does happen.
First time I saw you dance, something hit different. The way you move, yeah, got me so addicted. Can't look away now, baby, what you doing to me? Te veo bailar y no puedo crazy. Heart beating faster with every move you make. Oh, mami, te gata, my body's about to burst. I can't escape. You got that power over me, me tienes loco, breaking my self-control, poco a poco. You got that power over me, can't fight this feeling, you're my energy. Whoa, got me spinning.
Anybody looking for a trade? Looking for a certain level to get hit before they jump into the market? What are you guys looking at? Do you think I'm way off base to be bullish right now? I just closed the long. Ah, good job. Because me, I'm looking for a long. Looking for a passing account. Way to go. Yeah, and that's another topic we were talking about the other day. I think I was talking about it with Trader 2025. Saying that in high volatility, I'm no longer going to try and pass an account on one trade. I'm going to try and pass in about 6 or 7 trades on a high volatility day, which means I'll be trading 8 lots, 9 lots. Of course, you know, I always allow myself to add to a trade. But, yeah, that's basically what I'm going to be doing. No more swinging for the fences. Instead of singles, I'll try for doubles and half triples. What's a half triple? I don't know, that's when you run to third base, but then you change your mind. But you get the point. I'm going to be trying for, instead of, let's say, $50, $60, $70 a trade, I'm going to be trying for $250, $300 a trade. So if I lose, you know, like if the market quickly goes against me, I'm not losing the account in one trade. We're going to have a long entry soon. I'll try it. I will try for a better price. It'll be if 24 bid holds. There we go. 24 bid held. I'm in at 22. Not really much better. What are we trying for? We're trying for 31. Long at 24, trying for 31.
When you step my way, got me feeling like Prey. But baby, tonight we both gonna play. Let the music sway. From
28.
enemies to lovers when the beat
So close. 3 points. Come on. 31.
fight this fear.
Give me my 31. 28. 29 on the offer. 28. 26. 24. Maj Lamart, I'm getting out. I don't like it. It got too close. Passing the count. Half triple. Yeah, half triple. That's an official baseball term.
Your body speaks louder and louder. Used to hate the way you move. Now I'm caught up in your groove.
The stop on this trade is at 10 officially.
Got me burning fast. Your moves are lethal, but I'm built to last. Watch me
Well, I'm tempted to trade my account that hit my PDLL, but I know that's wrong. So although I have that temptation, I'm self-aware of it. I'm definitely not gonna take the trade on that account. That account we're gonna leave alone. And my brain's a little tired, but at 20, what do we got here? 19 bid. I'll take a one lot if I can get filled. The risk is 10 points. Let's see if I can add a little bit. There we go, order filled. Let's see if we can add a little bit to this. These 4 accounts. I haven't traded here for a while on this thing. 6, 9, 8, 3, 6, 1. It's going the wrong way. Bounce back up. There we go. I improved my price. I do want to see it go back up. Put my mouse on the close button. Don't want to mess around with anything. I'm not liking it. There we go. Cost me money. Tabernuch. Hey, wait a minute. Oh, no, it was a long trade. It was an official long trade. I was wondering if it was a short trade and I took it the wrong way, but no, it was a short trade. Sorry, it was a long trade. Which is what I should be looking for. Push. This is how the other one played out, and it cost me 11.15.
Come on, push now. Do nice push for us, yes.
Come on, push. Yeah, that was nice.
Okay, had to get out of that. Thankfully, while I was playing the push button. Oh, wait a minute. Wow, markets are really a little hectic here. Anyways, it came back a little bit for me, so that was good. Gonna get a bit of a selling now. If I see green, I'll try and add to my position. This one loses. Oof, I think I'm gonna, if we're getting 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. There we go, get a little bit out. Get a little bit out. Let's just take a quick scalp there because the markets don't look like they know what they want to do right now. For me, this is sideways chop right now, so I'm going to wait it out, let the markets break away from this area. I think what we might be in is a little bit what we might be trading in right now is a small pullback in a greater uptrend. So I'm going to sit it out. If we get below that support area, that's a different story. But until we get below that support area, I'm going to assume the overall trend is up right now. And I'm going to try to position myself for that, for a long somewhere. That was making another bit of a push up. ES is over its moving averages. NQ isn't. We are using the same values, right? EMA 200. Omnius, you still there? That is the EMA you use on the 5 minute, right? The 200. Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, so NQ is on it, ES is above it. And as I've been saying all day, actually, NQ is relatively weaker all day. NQ got under this on the 5 minute on the left side. NQ got under this support area here quicker than ES did. And it's just been showing, look at the pop on ES, stronger than the move higher on NQ. So NQ relatively weaker. Got to keep that in mind, and I do have a sell signal in NQ. It's at 96. Too late. I missed it. Wonderful. I would have wanted to take that trade. Omnius played a donkey I just chased. Stupid Mike. What is that? You know better. I'm on the 400 volume. No donkey today. Well, you can play it when you come back tomorrow. Colin, why do I do these things? Colin is a French swear word. Let's get a bearish candle on the 400 volume. 300, 376. Wow, you gotta be kidding me. That was disastrous. Wow, what a shame. That was some poor trading. Let me take a break again. Make bad decisions. He's sleeping. He's sleeping. Pull on his chocolate salty balls. Or flick. Give a flick to his chocolate salty balls. What's everybody doing at Camp Omnius at 11:22? You guys had breakfast? You're going somewhere today? Gonna do something fun? Am I even on live chat? Fucking thing changes on me all the time. You said it. You know how many times I said it to live chat today? There are kids in the car. Did I say something bad? Chocolate salty? The chocolate salty? Are they listening? Do you have me on speaker? Are they all listening? Okay, I have a trade triggered at 20. But that's a trade with a large stop loss. So I want to get a much better price than that. Maybe 10. If I can get 10, I'll take it. I'll take it for a 3 lot. We are... Ah, you're going home. How long's the drive? Hey, I clicked buy bid. What's going on? I hate this. Am I now in a trade? Am I not in a trade? Yep, I just clicked buy market and didn't work either. So now we'll wait for the order service to eventually fill me. 3 hours-ish. Oh yeah, that's not so bad. Well, I got to assume the orders went in, so I'll click close. Ooh, one yellow order appeared now. That's my buy limit that I did a long time ago. There we go. So I don't want to, you know what? Click close again. I was going to almost sell ask, but no, close is better. Close is better. What chip? Deal me in. Dealer 28. What chip? Where do you camp in Florida? Camp Omnius. That's too bad. That was a good trade. And they screwed me out of it with not filling me. Ninja Trader's having problems today. It's too bad. Coming back up to the initial balance high based on the way I trade the retest trade. 24. Yeah, it would have failed, so it's a good thing I didn't take it. Are we going to reject now here off the initial balance high, or are we going to continue higher? Anybody's guess. So rejection off the initial balance high again? Serious? One person has to scalp and use the bathroom a lot. I'm guessing that's you. Now what's the next move? Right back up to initial balance high. Again, a whole bunch of fake outs. Holding at 700. Boop, 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 boop. 1130, wood chip, big move. The wood chip move, that's what we call it. But again, it doesn't mean it has to come at 1130, eh? It can come at any time. 10, 15 minutes before, 10, 15 minutes after. It's not specifically at 1130, but it's around that area, and we really haven't made much of a move in the last little while, so we're kind of due for it if it's going to happen. It's a bearish candle. Not getting continuation. Actually good. What's the volatility that's coming down? Again, you did that to me. Okay, bad day today. Keep the losses small. We know the rules. Is that a blue candle? Can't even tell. It looks like a blue candle. Couldn't tell though. Well, if you look at the 5-minute chart, that support area is holding, but again, we're in some chop right now. There. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, an hour and 10 minutes. That's the 5-minute chart there in the top left. Yeah, I don't know how it trades on the phone, so let's get out of that chop maybe. soon on the 11:30 wood chip trade. Can we get up to 24? If we get up to 24, we'll be targeting 31. That would be a good trade. Didn't get up to 24 yet, trying. Did we make 24? Yeah, we did make 24. So let's see if I can get in at, I don't know, 22, 24, 23, 22. I got in at 21 and a quarter, so 3 points better. Come on, push higher. Let's go to 31. 26, 27. Put in the sell limit. $11.35. Where are we on volatility right now? Approximately 15 points. Yeah, 15 points. That can get us there. Okay, I closed it at 27. A little early. There you go. Count to 10. There's your 31. Hey, you know what I don't get anymore? I don't get the cash register sound. 34. That's okay. Yeah, I don't get the cash register sound anymore. I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna move. Maybe I'm gonna move Project X back onto my laptop. Let's see. I need a full screen. That would be there. And I think I'm gonna bring Ninja Trader back onto my. I like the cash register sound. It's one of my favorite sounds. I like to hear it. It's good for me even. It's good therapy. So let me save this layout. I like this layout. We can even use this layout maybe. I don't know, maybe the layout was good too. But anyways, workspace, save. Finally just got it. Finally just got something decent on my laptop with Ninja Trader. Now I'm going to move it back onto my desktop for the stream. Nice move up. $59. Can we get up to 66? What's up, Sparks? $63, $64. We didn't get up to $66 yet. $11.30. Winner, chicken dinner. Yay! Pretty much in this case. He puts in the extra R. What's up? Everybody's asking how you trade off the phone. Nobody can figure out how you do it effectively. Whoa, what do we got going here? Powell speaking at 12:20, eh? Do not forget. I'm not going to be around for it, but that was a little bit of a dump there, eh? Okay, I don't know. Maybe someone's speaking somewhere right now. We're getting some erotic price action. Sorry, I mean erratic. Ouch! Wow, that made me... Who's saying what about what? Did Powell come out early? Let's see, it's the 400 volume. Ah, that's why it's so erratic. Come on, that was a good candle. Looks like the next pop is going to be higher. Oh, come on. Break the little mini flag that I'm looking at here.
Can't leave you behind. Every night at 12, breaking all the rules. Everybody's teaching that you make it go. Got me acting crazy, baby, I'm not losing. Only do my man.
That was a good trade. Yeah, I'm thinking. Let me make a note of this. Gotta bring down the amount of the trades and the envelopes. Label. Where's the label? Delete. Okay. Volume counter. And do I have the notes thing over here? A1 chart notes, yep. Add. But a little 11:45. We don't do it anymore. Oh, that's so small.
Every night at 12. Every night at 12. 매번 볼수 breaking all the rules. Every night at 12 rules.
Maybe it's time to stop trading until Powell speaks. I don't know. What do you guys think? Nah, what Chip? I think I'm going to be, sorry, I didn't see your message, 11:44. Yeah, not too long ago. I think I'm going to be cutting out. I don't think I want to trade through the volatility. I got 2 accounts down on Apex, 1 account up. Well, 2 accounts up, but 1 account is only $6. So I'm kind of down in Apex. Today's a red day. I think I'm going to just call it here, and I got some other things I got to take care of. So I think that's going to be it for me. It's 11:46. Hey, tomorrow. Come back tomorrow. We'll go into the public chat for a bit. But now I think I'm gonna call it a day here before I do more damage. The losses are manageable. I can make it up in one day, so we'll keep it like that. That's on Apex and Bulenox. I think I'm still up. I don't even remember again. Bulenox, I'm up, but very negligibly. Very negligibly. I didn't trade it much. And Top Step, I'm up again, I think. Well, yeah, up 100. I didn't touch it again. So yeah, that's it for me, guys. Thanks for hanging out. If you're new, click the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys either tonight or tomorrow morning. If it's tomorrow morning, it'll be before 9:15. And that's it. Scene, sources, where do I gotta go? Take care. Waiting on Woodchip. Woodchip draw 7. Woodchip's getting in his last deal me ins. I'll let him play it out. Woodchip, if I take a trade and lose because I'm waiting for you to play deal me in, that would be my fault, not yours. We must take our responsibility for our actions. It almost sounded like I was going to blame you, right? No, we can't do that. We are responsible for our own actions. No matter what, if your wife is vacuuming under your chair and aggravating you, if your dog is barking, if your baby is crying, if all those things get you on tilt, stand up, walk away. It's not the fault of the external influence. It's your fault for trading through it and continuing to act when you know you're not calm inside and you might make bad decisions. Sent you a Discord screenshot. Okay, perfect. I'll take a look at it. Okay, guys, that's it for me. I will see you either tonight or tomorrow. Take care. Bye.